Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for February 6th of 2025 is titled IC 2574 Coddington's Nebula. So what do we see here? Well, here we see what is known as Coddington's Nebula, but is actually a galaxy. Now, while it may not look like the grand spiral galaxies that we often look at, which have the very prominent spiral arms swirling around them, it actually has a lot of things in common with those galaxies. And in fact, spiral galaxies and dwarf galaxies like this one are known for forming stars. And that's why we see some of the same colors here that we often see with a larger spiral galaxy. Now, in a spiral galaxy and in one like this, we tend to see the blue color from the young stars that have formed. And those are those hot blue stars that have formed. The blue stars are the highest temperature and emit the most energy, and therefore give off the shortest wavelengths of light and will appear blue to our eyes. Although in fact, they often put off more of their light in the light that we can't even see in the ultraviolet. Now we also see many of the red clusters here, and the red groupings are actually hydrogen gas. As hydrogen gas is excited by hot stars, it glows. Now, normally gases are invisible. They're clear. So you don't see through them unless you can energize them in some way. So often tubes of gas are energized here on Earth to cause them to glow and give off light. Well, the galaxies can do this on a much larger scale. And the ultraviolet light from all of those hot stars can actually excite the hydrogen gas and cause it to glow, giving us the distinct color that we see here. Now, this, as I said, is a galaxy, and it is probably a little less than half the size of our Milky Way. So it's significantly smaller. It does not have the distinct spiral arms and spiral structure that we're used to associating with much larger spiral galaxies. But it does have those signs of star formation that make it very similar. Now, not all galaxies show signs of star formation. There are actually other types of galaxies known as elliptical galaxies, which show no sign of recent star formation and don't seem to have any gas or dust located within them that could form new stars, which may have to do with how they formed originally and how quickly they used up that gas and dust. Some galaxies used it up quickly in a massive burst of star formation early in their lives, and others kept some gas and dust and are able to continuously form stars over the course of billions of years. So that was our picture of the day for February 6th of 2025. It was titled IC 2574 Coddington's Nebula. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.